Hello, everyone, and a warm, safe welcome back to Learn English with Grow. We are so happy to have you here.
Hey there! We are excited because today's topic is super practical and a little bit nerve-wracking. Conversations with airport police and security.
Absolutely. Traveling is one of the best reasons to learn English, but sometimes you need to talk to someone in charge, like an officer or a security guard.
And that moment can be scary, especially if you're not confident in your English. But don't worry, we're making this easy, simple, and totally stress-free for all beginner English learners.
This whole episode is designed for A2 and B1 level learners. We speak slowly and clearly. You will learn the exact polite phrases you need.
Before we get started and trust us, you don't want to miss a quick favor. If you haven't subscribed to Learn English with Grow yet, now is the time.
Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. It's the best way to keep your English learning routine on track.
And if you find this lesson helpful, please smash that like button. It helps our podcast fly higher and reach more students around the world.
Today's mission is all about boosting your confidence in a high-pressure situation. We are covering everything from showing your passport to asking for simple directions.
The goal is to sound clear, polite, and confident. Using the correct formality makes the whole process smoother for you and the officer.
We'll break down the key vocabulary, practice simple questions and answers, and even do some role-playing dialogues. Are you ready to get your English travel documents in order?
Let's start with the essential words you must know before you even step inside the airport.
We begin with the most important person you might talk to, the officer.
Officer. This is a respectful title for a police person or a security guard. Always use this word, or sir divided by ma'am, when addressing them.
It's a simple word, but it carries a lot of formality. Let's practice saying it slowly. Officer. One more time. Officer.
Now, the number one document. Passport. The passport is your book of citizenship. It is the official proof of who you are and where you are from.
The officer will almost certainly ask, "Can I see your passport, please?" Your simple reply is, "Here you are, officer."
Let's practice the key word and the key phrase. Repeat. Passport. Now the phrase, "Can I see your passport?" Very good.
Next, let's look at the boarding pass.
A boarding pass is the special paper or digital ticket that lets you physically get onto the airplane. The gate agent or an officer checks it.
You need to show both your passport and your boarding pass many times at the airport. They often ask for them together.
Let's practice this two-word term. Boarding pass. Say it clearly. Boarding pass. Great job.
Our fourth word is luggage.
Luggage refers to all your bags, suitcases, and travel items. It can be carry-on luggage or checked luggage.
The security officer might say, "Is this your luggage? Please put your luggage on the scale." The term luggage is used for all your bags.
Let's practice the word. Repeat. Luggage. Focus on the L sound. Luggage. Excellent.
Next up is the verb declare.
The verb declare means to officially tell the customs officer if you are bringing items like expensive gifts, a lot of cash, or certain foods into the country.
If you have something unusual, you must declare it. If you have nothing unusual, you simply say, "Nothing to declare."
Let's practice the key verb declare. Repeat. Declare. Now the negative phrase, nothing to declare. This is a very important phrase.
Word number 6, security.
Security is the whole process and the area dedicated to safety. This is where you pass through the metal detectors and take off your shoes.
You will spend time in the security line. The security officer is the person working there. Security is all about keeping everyone safe.
Let's practice saying the area name. Security. Remember, it's a strict but necessary process. Security.
Now, let's talk about the key airport areas. Word 7, immigration.
Immigration is the official area or desk where the officer checks your passport and your visa to decide if you can enter the country. They check who you are.
When you land, your first big stop is usually immigration. You might ask an officer, "Where's the line for immigration?"
Practice the word immigration. It's a long word, but a vital one. Immigration. Good job.
Word 8, customs.
Customs is the official area where they check your bags and goods to make sure you aren't bringing anything illegal or taxable into the country. This is where you might declare items.
Customs and immigration are usually near each other, but they do different jobs. Immigration checks people. Customs checks goods.
Practice the area name. Customs. Say, I need to go to customs. Perfect.
We have 2 keywords left. Number 9. Baggage claim.
Baggage claim is the area where you go to collect your checked luggage after your flight has landed. Look for your flight number on the screen.
You might ask, which carousel is for the flight from London? Carousel is the moving belt where the luggage comes out.
Practice the term baggage claim. Say, where is baggage claim? Wonderful.
And our final word for this section, direction.
Direction means the path or way you need to go. Asking for direction is one of the most common reasons to talk to an officer.
A simple question for direction is, can you give me direction to the restrooms? Or, which direction is the exit?
Practice the word direction. Say the simple question, which direction? Great.
This vocabulary is the foundation. Now, let's use them to build clear, simple, polite sentences. Remember, in every interaction, start with "excuse me" and end with "thank you, officer."
Welcome to the practice section. We will focus on 3 main airport interactions. Listen, repeat, and practice the formality.
Scenario 1. Asking for clear directions.
You are confused about where to go. You see an officer.
Step Get attention. Say, "Excuse me, officer. May I ask a question?" Repeat, "Excuse me, officer. May I ask a question?"
Step 2. Ask clearly. You need the baggage claim area. Say, where is the baggage claim for international flights?
Let's practice the question. Where is the baggage claim? Keep it simple.
The officer's simple reply might be, go this direction. Take the elevator down 1 floor. Let's practice understanding that simple direction.
Step 3. Show gratitude. Say, "Thank you for the direction, ma'am." Repeat, "Thank you for the direction, ma'am." Politeness is key.
Scenario 2. The routine document check.
You are standing in line at immigration. The officer calls you forward.
The officer's request. Good morning. Your passport and boarding pass, please. Repeat. Your passport and boarding pass, please.
Your action. Give the documents. Your reply. Good morning, officer. Here they are. Practice. Good morning, officer. Here they are.
The officer's common follow-up. What is the purpose of your visit? This means, why are you here?
If you are on holiday, say, "I am here for tourism divided by a vacation." If you are working, "I am here for business divided by work."
Let's practice the travel reply. I am here for tourism. Simple and clear.
The officer says, "Have a pleasant stay." Your final reply, "Thank you, officer." Simple and confident.
Scenario 3. Security clarification.
You are at security. The officer stops you because of an item in your luggage.
The officer's question, what is this item in your bag? Or, please open your bag, sir.
Your simple reply must be calm. "I apologize, officer. I forgot to take out my laptop." The word apologize is very polite.
Let's practice apologizing. I apologize, officer. I forgot. This shows respect for the security rules.
The officer's instruction. Okay, please place the laptop in a separate tray. Repeat the instruction. Please place the laptop in a separate tray.
Your final reply. Yes, ma'am. Thank you for the instruction. Always thank them, even if you made the mistake.
These practices show that using the polite words and a calm attitude makes the conversation simple, even with an officer. Now for 3 quick dialogues to practice listening and shadowing. Listen for the formality.
Dialogue 1. Lost passport.
Excuse me, officer. I seem to have lost my passport. I am very worried.
Calm down, ma'am. Where did you last see your passport?
I think I had it near the check-in desk, before security.
Okay. Let's go to the lost and found. Please follow me. Do you have any other ID?
Yes, officer. I have my driver's license. Thank you so much for your help.
You are welcome. We will try our best.
Dialogue 2. Customs Declaration.
Good evening. Please approach the customs desk. Do you have anything to declare?
Good evening, officer. Yes, I need to declare a computer monitor for my work.
I see. Please show me the receipt for the monitor.
Certainly, sir. The receipt is right here in my luggage.
Thank you. Everything looks fine. You may proceed to baggage claim.
Thank you very much, officer.
Dialogue 3. The simple direction.
Pardon me, officer. Can you tell me the direction to the train station exit?
Yes. Walk straight past the newsstand, and the exit is on your right. You will see a sign.
Straight past the newsstand. Right side. Thank you, officer. I appreciate the clear direction.
My pleasure. Have a safe journey.
Practice shadowing these simple lines. It makes a huge difference to your confidence.
Let's talk more about formality in English-speaking culture, especially with authority like airport police.
Formality is the respectful behavior and language used in serious situations. At the airport, this is always the best choice.
In English, we have clear ways to show formality. Always start with "excuse me," not just "hey."
Use the word please when asking for something, and thank you often. Never forget to use officer, sir, or ma'am.
Why is this a cultural note? Because in many places, people are very casual. But in Western airports, maintaining a polite, formal tone shows you are not a problem and respect their security role.
If the officer asks you to do something, say yes and do it quickly. Do not argue. Cooperation is the cultural expectation.
If you are polite, calm, and use simple English, the officer will often be more helpful and friendly. Formality leads to a faster and smoother process.
So, remember to practice those formal phrases. They are just as important as your passport. Time for our vocabulary recap. Listen to the words and repeat them out loud.
Word 1. Officer. The polite term for airport authority. Repeat. Officer.
Word 2. Passport. Your essential document for identity and travel. Repeat. Passport.
Word 3. Luggage. All of your bags. Repeat. Luggage.
Word 4. Security. The area for safety checks. Repeat. Security.
Word 5. Declare. To officially report goods to customs. Repeat. Declare.
Word 6. Boarding pass. Your ticket to board the plane. Repeat. Boarding pass.
Word 7. Immigration. The desk that checks your right to enter the country. Repeat. Immigration.
Word 8. Baggage claim. The area to get your checked bags. Repeat. Baggage claim.
Word 9. Formality. Polite, respectful rules of behavior. Repeat. Formality. Excellent review. Ready for our 5-question quick quiz? Let's check your listening comprehension.
Question 1. What is the most common follow-up question after you hand over your passport at immigration?
A. What is your favorite food? B. What is the purpose of your visit? C. Where do you live?
The answer is B. What is the purpose of your visit?
Question 2. If the officer asks you to put your suitcase on the scale, which word are they using?
A boarding pass. B. Luggage. C. Direction.
The answer is B. Luggage.
Question 3. If you are at the area where they check if you are bringing illegal items, where are you?
A. Customs. B. Immigration. C. The gate.
The answer is A. Customs.
Question 4. If you are confused, which polite phrase should you use to ask the officer to speak again?
A. Say that again. B. Pardon me, officer, could you please repeat that? C. I can't hear you.
The answer is B. Pardon me, officer, could you please repeat that? This shows excellent formality.
Question 5. Which word means the path or way you should go?
A. Declare. B. Luggage. C. Direction.
The answer is C. Direction. You passed the test. Well done.
That's it for today. You now have the essential vocabulary and the confidence to handle conversations with airport police and security.
Remember, the most important thing is to use simple, clear English and a polite formality like officer, sir, and thank you.
Keep this episode handy when you travel. Listening to the phrases one more time will make them stick in your memory.
If this lesson helped you, please take one moment to like this episode and subscribe to Learn English with Grow.
We rely on your support to keep creating these fun, practical lessons for beginner English learners all over the world.
Leave us a comment. Tell us one word you learned today that you will use on your next trip. We love hearing from you.
Keep up the fantastic work. Your English is improving every single day, and we are proud to be part of your journey.
Thank you for joining us. We'll be back next time with more great English learning content.
Until then, goodbye and happy travels.